the Great Science Share for Schools is a global campaign which does something very, very simple. It encourages 5 to 14-year-olds to ask, investigate and share a scientific question.
So I think the great value of the Great Science Share for our ambitions around widening participation is it gets to kids when they're young, when you need to inspire that interest and passion for science. So we really do need to start in the schools, but we need to do that in a way that's working with teachers and supporting teachers and helping them get their own kids excited about science. So it's going right down to the foundations of kids' passion for a subject we know we need more young people to be interested in. So I think it's a great example of how we do widening participation well.
For me, it allows me to participate in that enthusiasm that I've always had for STEM. It's my favourite thing, is to get engaged with the students, to participate in the wider school community, to get out to other schools, work with other students and share that joy that we get from doing science.
It really inspires and motivates them, so they've really enjoyed planning the activity today and preparing for today, and really we're looking forward to sharing with everybody and seeing the other examples of the experiments.
I've loved looking at the investigation with the colour food dye and the milk with the washing up liquid, because it was really fun experimenting with putting the dye in and see how when you put the washing up liquid on the cotton buds it separated the milk and it pushed the dye to the edge. It was really fascinating.
So this is our 11th Great Science Share for School, and each year the programme evolves. It's been a year-long journey this time. Our young people have been working with the STEM racing team. They had an incredible opportunity to go down to Silverstone, and from that experience they built their own programme. So much so, in 2 weeks' time they'll be leading a work experience for the whole of Year 8 where they will give them the same experience that they've had.
The Silverstone trip had a huge impact on where we are now. It was sort of like the kickstart and helped because we saw all these cars going around and we realised how passionate we are about that type of engineering and we wanted to get into it. Yes, it was really like inspiring, as in watching all of these people in Formula One do their job, seeing the way they do it, seeing how complex and just interesting their line of work was.
It is my first time ever here, just to see so many children from all over Greater Manchester. It's breathtaking when you see the young children innovating and experimenting, and we can see the future scientists in them.
I looked at the event and I saw the students and their projects, and it was very inspiring to us, seeing these kids working together on real-life challenging issues. But what I also liked is how they collaborate together and they learn about teamwork and the soft skills and how encouraged and enthusiastic they are. I think they are ready for a better future tomorrow.
It's absolutely fantastic. It's the opportunity for children to play, to explore, to try out some scientific solutions to problems they've identified, but also in a safe space where they can get it wrong, they can learn, they can try again, which is exactly what we're looking for from an employer's perspective, but also from society in general.
The Great Science Share for Schools is an incredible event. I'm bowled over by the enthusiasm that we have from all of the visitors here today. The kids absolutely love the place. It's a two-way street. I'm learning from them and they're learning from us, and I just can't wait to take part in another one of these in the future.
We've reached over 1 million young people registered in 58 countries. It's actually 1,024,040. I can't be more proud of everybody who's taken part and the team for really pulling together to make Great Science Share the greatest. So the most important thing now is to ask yourself, what are you going to do to make the Great Science Share the greatest next year?